Welcome to Blender Bite number 2. Glad that you joined me. What I'm going to do today is real quickly give you one tool that really starts to set Blender apart from the prim building we do in Second Life. If you remember, the prims in Second Life are very hard edged. Well, in Blender, you're able to give subtle curves and subtle treatments to the edges. That's often called bevels. So what we're going to look at today, very quickly, you notice I'm using the word very quickly often. We're going to look at the bevel tool. So here we go. We're in edit mode. Highlight what you want to work on. Shift tab and you go into edit mode. Right now, as you can see, I'm on the edge selection. So that means 2 is edge selection. Again, 1, vertex selection, 2, edge selection, and 3, face selection. Okay, we're going on number 2. What we want to do is we want to highlight several edges, and to do that, we press the Shift key down while we're selecting them. Now we have these 4 edges. If you'll remember from the cheat sheet, the hotkey combination for bevel is Control B. When you move your mouse away, it starts to respond. It starts to show the bevel in response to how far you move the mouse. Right here is a bevel with one facet. It's often called a chamfer. If you scroll your wheel while you're making the adjustment, you start to add other facets. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you're increasing the facets, you're making the bevel more smoothly rounded. So if you go up to, let's say, 5 or 6 or 7, click the left mouse button, you can see that that's a pretty smooth little curve now. Once again, this little menu pops up, and here I have 8 segments. Again, I can still move that and add more or less. Let's put in 10. Now that starts to add a bit of geometry to your item. You need to be reasonable on how round you make your bevel. So that's it. That's the bevel tool. Good luck playing with that. Practice, 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 and we'll see if there's